Hey guys, welcome back! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use the eToro demo account, also known as the virtual portfolio. This is a great way to practice trading without risking any real money, and it's perfect. If you're just starting out first, head over to the eToro website and create your free account by entering your username, email, and password. Once you've done that, check your inbox for the confirmation email. Verify your account, and then log in to the platform. When you're inside your account, scroll down the left-hand menu. At the bottom right under your username, you'll see an option that says Switch to Virtual. Click on that and you'll instantly be taken into your virtual portfolio. Now here's the exciting part. eToro gives you $100,000 in virtual funds to practice with. This means you can start trading in a risk-free environment, test out strategies, experiment with leverage, or even try the copy trader feature, all without worrying about losing money. The demo account mirrors real market conditions, so the prices and charts you see are exactly what's happening in the live market. And whenever you're ready, you can easily switch back and forth between your demo and real accounts. Nothing is restricted, so you can experience the full platform while you practice. So if you're looking for a safe way to learn trading, or just want to build confidence before investing real cash, the eToro demo account is the perfect starting point. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more trading tips, and drop a comment below if you've already started testing out strategies in demo mode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.